Hi, I'm Mack McGovern, the Director of Marketing and Training for KYB America's Corporation. This message from KYB is a driver alert for vehicles equipped with any form of crash avoidance technology. Did you know that the performance of the electronic vehicle safety systems on your vehicle may be limited by the current condition of its tires, brakes, steering, and suspension parts? Even the most sophisticated new vehicle safety technology can't provide all of the protection it's capable of if the tires can't grip the road properly, or if the brakes can't apply well, or if the steering doesn't respond correctly. This is especially important to understand as a vehicle ages. You may be surprised to learn that the National Highway Traffic Safety Statistics show that most vehicle accidents occur to vehicles that are 4 to 8 years old. Virtually all vehicles in that age range are equipped with crash avoidance systems, but they're still involved in the most collisions. This unfortunate statistic helps us understand that sensors and computers by themselves can't stop, turn, or maneuver a vehicle. The vehicle's mechanical components are responsible for that. The brakes, tires, shocks, and struts are some of the most critical safety components on a vehicle. For today's crash avoidance systems to be able to protect you in a sudden emergency or panic situation within its design capability, the mechanical ride control components have to perform within their design capability. So it's critical that all vehicles receive periodic ride control, physical condition, and performance inspections by a qualified technician. There's 4 mechanical systems within your vehicle's ride control that technicians have to pay close attention to. The tires because they provide the road contact, the suspension because springs, shocks, and struts control body stability and tire movement, the brakes because they slow the tires, and the steering because it controls vehicle direction. All of these components are related to one another. Wear or problems in any one of them affects all of them. When the vehicle becomes unstable or a sudden loss of control event occurs, the crash avoidance systems send electronic commands to the brakes and other critical vehicle components to try to keep the vehicle in control. But if the mechanical components like the brakes, tires, shocks, and struts don't respond, well, then the electronic crash avoidance systems can't help. KYB is one of the world's largest suppliers of shocks and struts to new vehicle manufacturers and supply original equipment ride control components on many of the world's top-selling vehicles. We are very proud to have earned a reputation as one of the highest quality shocks and struts available. But we also realize that with age and miles, shocks and struts should be replaced to restore both vehicle ride control performance and to support the design capabilities of today's sophisticated crash avoidance systems. That's why we encourage motorists to have regular vehicle inspections and talk to your favorite service provider about replacement parts that help keep your vehicle within its designed mechanical control and crash avoidance capabilities. I hope this message was helpful to you. KYB believes that all motorists should understand that maintaining a vehicle's ride control is critical to the performance of a vehicle's safety systems. Thank you for watching. Please buckle up, drive safely, and remember, the more you know, the safer you'll drive.